Alright, welcome to the State of the Channel address here for Modding by Kaupenjoe for the 5th of November 2022. Well, let's answer the one question, where have you been, Kaupenjoe? Well, let's just go through. I just have a few content points here that I want to go through, the tutorials, new channel, Twitch streams, and let's see. So the thing you probably notice is, where are the tutorials? Well, the 119 tutorial series, for me at least, has mostly concluded. If needed, there's going to be 119.3 tutorials depending on how much changes they're going to make. But overall, I need a break from the tutorials. So I've already made a community post before, and I said, you know, I'm in the last 2 months of my master thesis. And as you might well imagine, the master thesis is quite an extensive thing to manage. So I just couldn't do everything simultaneously. And also I've been doing the tutorials, you know, like 6 to 4 tutorials a week since pretty much the beginning of the year and before that. And I just need a break. Like, it's become a little bit monotonous. And then, to be fair, if the quality of the tutorials then isn't there, then I just don't think that it's worth it, basically. For the time being, I'm at least off until like the beginning of November, maybe longer. I don't know. It really depends on what's going to happen. And then I'm probably going to return with just a few mod showcases here and there. The community has been hard at work with all sorts of crazy cool mods. So there are definitely some contenders that I want to show. But overall, the general idea here is that I just want to recharge and be motivated for 120, because I have, you know, amazing plans for giant 120 series and new 120 courses and all of the craziness that comes with it. So that's why I basically want to recharge a little bit for the tutorials. But of course, there is still hope. If you're like, but I really want to watch something that you're making, then I actually have a new channel for you, and that channel is Kaupenjoe right here. So you can see this is a fairly newly made channel, and I will link in the description below, of course. And here, you know, I'm making Minecraft shorts. I'm just trying out some Minecraft short stuff, some Minecraft content that is modded. So I basically make some interesting-ish mods. Hopefully they're going to be like funny and cool, and you know, you can download them, basically. Content like this, and then maybe also like 100 days in Minecraft content, but that's going to be something for the future more. I think the first 3 are going to be the things that are going to be mostly what is going to be made. So I highly recommend, if you are interested in that sort of stuff, do check it out. And if you do check it out, you know, watch through a few of those videos. That's going to help me in the algorithm. So do go over there, subscribe, and watch the videos. If this does sound interesting to you, that would be really, really awesome indeed. There's definitely quite a few things that I still have planned for the Kaupenjoe channel, so we'll see where this goes in the future. And the last thing is the Twitch streams. So there's only going to be special or unscheduled streams until the master thesis is complete, pretty much. So until the end of the year, there's going to be nothing scheduled. So if that is something that interests you, you can follow at twitch.tv/Kaupenjoe. I'll also put that link in the description below, and that is generally all of the different things. So pretty much tutorials on hold because of the master thesis, new channel called Kaupenjoe, highly recommended to check that out, and Twitch streams hopefully coming back next year on a schedule. Right, but that is pretty much all that I want to say for the state of the channel over here. There's going to be probably another one once the master thesis is done and we're a little bit more clear on when 120 comes out and all of that craziness. So keep an eye out for that. It's probably going to be towards the end of the year, and then we'll see what will happen. Regardless, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. So yeah.